Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on POCO X3 GT. To do this we'll need to play some music and also find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is at the bottom right here, next one is on top of the screen right here, that's a phone call speaker, and the third one is on top side of your phone. And now let's play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If not, then it's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. Okay, so the sound is coming from all three sources, and that would mean this phone does have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.